Hey you guys! So first off, I want to say thank you so much for all the love and support and positive vibes in my last video. I was very nervous about uploading that because I was sharing my personal space as well as my makeup collection, and just any video anyone uploads on YouTube or the internet is definitely open for judgment. So yeah, I was kind of worried, but you guys were so kind, so thank you for that. So I know in my last video I promised we're gonna do a decluttering video in my next video. Well, I decided after looking at this big pile on my floor for the last 4 to 5 days, yeah, it's gotta go. I can't just pick from this. Like, it's just, no. I don't think it's the way to do it. So I decided today we're gonna organize my makeup, put it back in like an organized way, back in the shelves, back in the plastic box or container from Target, and this other stand. And then the next video is going to be a decluttering video. So yeah, so without any further ado, you guys, let's organize my makeup collection. Alright, so first I want to share the mess that I'm talking about. This is what my desk looks like, and you guys, it's supposed to be my vanity desk / work desk. Yeah, all of this eye makeup mixed with everyday makeup just because, again, I do my makeup here. Yeah, this is what this looks like. This area looks pretty much the same. Yeah, we need to like organize that. And then this is the biggest mess of all. Oh my gosh, you guys. Yeah, stuff has been knocked over just because I have my jackets in this wardrobe, so I obviously need to get to that. Alright, so now all the shelves are emptied out and cleaned. So now time to actually put the makeup in. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this, you guys, because again, this pile is so big. So what I think I'm going to do is like put the mascaras all in one shelf, the bronzers, lip products, blushes, etc. So yeah, let's do that. Alright, and those are all my brow products. Now moving on, what do I like to do next? Next, I'm going to put my foundation and other face products just because, yeah. Alright, so those are all my like face powders and foundations and tinted moisturizers. Next, concealer. Yeah, so far I'm really liking this. Yay! Alright, this one's a little heavy, so I might have to reorganize this. Next, bronzer. I do have these two left. I think I'm gonna put them with my eyeshadow palettes just because they are so big. So one thing going through all this makeup, I'm discovering new things, such as this Profusion palette. It's called Mixed Metals, and you guys, it's a face palette, and does this not look like the Becca times Chrissy Teigen collab, like her first ever collab? Like, what? Do we have a dupe on our hands? Like, what the heck? Rose gold and everything. Anyways, putting it with my other little mini palettes. Alright, so update, all of these shelves are all filled, these drawers. I'm so happy about this, you guys. I love that it's like right next to me too, because then I will be more inclined to use them. But yes, I'm so happy. Yay! Yeah, and this will also make the decluttering makeup video so much easier to film and do too. So yeah, and we still have some makeup product left to organize. So now I'm gonna move to this table and these makeup shelves, and yeah, fill them up, also clean the table because yeah, it's a mess. Alright, so I think I'm going to put all of my eyeliner pencils in one of these drawers, just for like easy access. And then since I love my Wet n Wild lippies, I'm going to put them in one of these drawers as well. Let's do lip liners in this one. So one thing I didn't share is how many falsies I have. So I'm gonna put them also in the front shelf. Wow, yeah, I need to wear these. I have some wispies, some eyelures. Okay, maybe I'll put them in here instead. Okay, so one thing I haven't put away or touched at all are my setting powders. So I think I'm also going to put them here in my front drawers. But this is what we got so far. We're making some progress, you guys. Yeah, this looks so much better. So I think I'm gonna put my lip glosses in this container. So update, you guys, we have it pretty much filled. I'm so excited about this. So I have my favorite lippies right here, some nail polishes, then some tools right here like you'll see, lash glue, beauty blenders, stuff like that, some eyeliners, lip liners, my primers, falsies. Here we have some setting powders, or all the setting powders, so I can finally try out some of them. Some Pixie Lippies, Glossier goodies, lip glosses in here, and then some lip balms right here. But yeah, I'm so happy about this. Now I'm gonna tackle this area because it's looking pretty empty and I see a bunch of packages. So yeah. Alright, so actually I changed my mind. We're gonna attack this plastic container and fill probably majority of these eyeshadow palettes in here. So let's do that. I think we have this pretty much filled and it's pretty organized, right? Like it looks nice. But yeah, so we have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes. Ooh, oh my gosh. We have a bunch of eyeshadow palettes, and then lipsticks or lip kits, and then yeah, some brushes over here. But yeah, so now finally to the last section. I'm gonna put a bunch of skincare products here, just in an organized fashion. Oh my gosh, you guys, we are nearing the end. I'm so excited about this. Look how much emptier it looks. Of course, this is still like nice. And then look at this shelf. Yeah, it's definitely more organized. Like I have a lot of more like toners and setting sprays on the top, so I can use it as soon as I'm done with my makeup. Then we have a mix of Pixie and Glossier stuff right there. You guys know I love those two brands. And then just other skincare products I need to try, and well, a mix of stuff that I've already tried, but need to try those out. And then here's like a bunch of masks, like sleepy masks or like sheet masks. You guys see right there. So yeah, I'm excited. Yay! You guys, we only have 2 products left. Okay, alright. I think I'm just actually gonna stick this one here. And then as for my lip products, I'm gonna put it right next to the Laneige. Yay! It's all clean. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at the final product. Everything is organized and all cleaned up. I have so much space right now in my studio now. I have so much room to play makeup with, to work, just do anything and everything. I am so happy. Woo! Yeah, so we have majority of my eyeshadow palettes, liquid lipstick sets, and then some brushes. You know, stay tuned for giveaway, hint hint. In that container over here we have some skincare goodies organized by just like the type of product or brand. And then in this shelf, oh yeah, we have it all organized by the type of product it is. Oh, I'm so excited about that, you guys, because again, this is where I do my makeup, so to be able to just like, oh, I need a concealer, bam, right there. Oh, so excited for that. And yeah, even here, I just organized my little bitty stuff. Oh my gosh, even my little bitty mini trial, or what is it, mini travel size or travel size skincare. We have that there. Then here some eyeliner, pencils, lip liners, etc. Oh my gosh, so excited about this, you guys. Whew. Now, I will have to say this took a lot longer than expected. Like I thought maybe 3 hours. No, I started I think at like 10:30, 11 a.m. and right now it is, oh my gosh, right now it's 5 p.m. Okay, am I exaggerating? Okay, maybe I started at 1. Maybe I started at 1 p.m. But still, you guys see the time right now? Can you guys tell? It's 5:30. That's crazy. But you better believe I feel so proud and so good right now. Oh my gosh. Like seriously, I'm so excited tomorrow to wake up, to do my makeup, to do my skincare routine. This makes life so much easier. Alright you guys, well that concludes the video for today. Your girl is so proud. Like, yeah, I don't think my room's been this clean since like forever. Anyways, that concludes today's video. Stay tuned for the next video, my decluttering makeup. I'm so happy that I did this, you guys, and then just rummage through the pile and try to like declutter my makeup, just because now it'll be so much easier to figure out what I want to keep, what I want to donate, what I want to throw away because it's expired, and etc. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for that, and I hope to see you in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.